I'm Sasha and I run Jesford Properties.
My name is Paxi Bujinska.
It's Liam from Ginger and Gold.
I'm Lizzie.
I'm Louise.
And my name's Jodie.
I joined about a year ago and I joined because I was pretty much at the beginning of my business and I really wanted as much help as I could get with the marketing side of things and getting direct bookings.
We didn't really have any idea of the hospitality world. We're not in hospitality. We were running a successful apartment on Airbnb and Booking.com, but we wanted to increase our direct bookings.
I was an Airbnb host. I'm a super host. I have a successful business. I'm pretty much fully booked most days of the month. Why would I need to join the Boostly Academy? Well, I was really intrigued about getting direct bookings and learning how to get direct bookings because I was relying on Airbnb.
I joined the Boostly Academy because, well, actually, I thought it was a no-brainer at the time. It was a one-off fee for a lifetime's membership.
Our bookings were coming in steadily, but we were heavily relying on the OTAs.
I would not be working on the growth of my business if it was not for Mark Simpson. The Boostly community has kept me company on my darkest day.
I love the fact that the content and everything in the back office would be there when I needed it further down the line.
Mark had the offer to join the Boostly Academy. I am-denied, but I thought, well, it's an investment. We've got a business, you've got to invest in it. So I invested in it and I haven't looked back.
And it really does do what it says on the tin. It's given us the tools, the tips and the tricks to massively improve our business.
When we joined Boostly, we were looking at about £30,000 for the year. Now we're heading into the region of 500,000 for the year.
Since joining Mark, we have taken over £36,000 in direct bookings. Before joining that, it was under £2,000.
All I want to let you know is join the Boostly Academy. It's awesome. You won't look back.